As per the most recent long-haul estimate, Ethereum cost will hit $7,000 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $10,000 toward the finish of 2025. Ethereum will ascend to $12,000 inside the time of 2029, $15,000 in 2033 and $17,000 in 2035. About Ethereum. Ethereum is an open-source blockchain framework that on a very basic level broadens the idea of blockchain past its unique relationship with digital forms of money like Bitcoin. Presented in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin and a group of engineers, Ethereum is planned as a decentralized stage that empowers savvy agreements and circulated applications dApps to be constructed and worked with next to no personal time, extortion, control, or obstruction from an outsider. At its center, Ethereum's essential development lies in its utilization of brilliant agreements. Brilliant agreements are self-executing contracts with the conditions of the arrangement straightforwardly composed into lines of code. These agreements naturally authorize and execute the particulars of the arrangement in light of predefined rules, without the requirement for middle people. This capacity has opened up an immense range of uses, from the production of decentralized finance DeFi stages that proposition loaning, getting, and exchanging administrations without the requirement for conventional monetary go-betweens, to the formation of decentralized independent associations DAOs that work in view of aggregate decision production of their individuals without concentrated initiative. Ethereum likewise presented the idea of a programmable blockchain, where engineers can make their own tasks of any intricacy, hence empowering the production of different decentralized applications. This is worked with by Ethereum's local programming language, Strength, which permits designers to compose shrewd agreements and convey them on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum's importance lies in its digital currency, as well as in its far-reaching applications empowered by brilliant agreements. A stage is made ready for another period of decentralized computerized applications, from money and gaming to inventory network the board, and then some, trying customary models of control and offering another worldview of disseminated agreement and trust. Why is the Ethereum cost so unstable? Ethereum, in the same way as other digital currencies, is known at its cost unpredictability. This implies the cost of Ethereum can rise or fall decisively in an extremely brief time frame. A few variables add to this instability, making it both an interesting and dangerous speculation. Right off the bat, market opinion assumes an enormous part. Reports, web-based entertainment posts, and public proclamations by powerful individuals can influence individuals' insights decidedly or adversely, prompting fast cost changes. For example, on the off chance that a notable business visionary tweets something certain about Ethereum, its cost could flood as additional individuals hurry to get it, trusting the worth will keep on climbing. Hypothesis additionally adds to the unpredictability. Many individuals purchase Ethereum not to utilize it, but rather trusting it will increment in esteem so they can sell it at a benefit. This theoretical exchanging can prompt quick cost swings as financial backers respond to momentary open doors or dangers, frequently founded on restricted data or tails. Ethereum Value Forecast 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $3,689.07, so the cost expanded by 61% from the outset of the year. The determined Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $7 to $772, and the year-to-year change plus 239%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 111%. In 2024, we hope to see $6,983 per 1 Ethereum. In the primary portion of 2025, the Ethereum cost will move to $9,537. In the last part, the cost would lose $9,951 and close the year at $8,586, which is plus 133% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $8,586 to $12,595, which is up 47%. Ethereum will begin 2026 at $8,586, then dip to $8,503 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $8,745. That implies plus 137% from today. Ethereum expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $12,595 to $17,927, which is plus 42%. Ethereum will begin 2031 at $12,595, then, at that point, take off to $13,351 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $14,102. It is about plus 282% from today. 3 into 4. Ethereum value expectation 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $3,386.04, so the cost expanded by 48% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $6,211 and the year-to-year change plus 171%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 83%. In 2024, we hope to see 581 per 1 Ethereum. In the primary portion of 2025, the Ethereum cost will move to $7,622. In the final part, the cost would lose $760 and close the year at $6,862, which is plus 103% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $6,862 to $10,067, which is up 47%. Ethereum will begin 2026 at $6,862, then dip to $6,796 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $6,989. That implies plus 106% from today. Ethereum forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $10,067 to $14,328, which is plus 42%. Ethereum will begin 2031 at $10,067, then, at that point, take off to $10,671 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $11,271. It is about plus 233% from today. So 2152 into 4. Ethereum value expectation 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $2,782.29, so the cost expanded by 21% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $5,934 and the year-to-year change plus 159%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 113%. In 2024, we hope to see $4,695 per 1 Ethereum. In the principal half of 2025, the Ethereum cost will move to $6,547. In the final part, the cost would lose $9,975 and close the year at $5,572, which is plus 100% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $5,572 to $8,626.